Meaning of hamburger meat.
Hamburger meat.
Hamburger meat.
Hamburger meat.
Hamburger meat. Hamburger meat refers to ground beef that is typically used to make hamburger patties. It is a type of ground meat that comes from various cuts, including chuck, round, and sirloin. The meat is usually 80% lean and 20% fat to create the perfect balance of flavor and juiciness. It is often seasoned with salt and pepper and formed into patties before being cooked on a grill or skillet. Hamburger meat is a popular ingredient in many fast food restaurants and home cooking recipes due to its versatility and affordability.